All right, I'm Anthony Temple, and this is Real Ways. This is the channel where we're dedicated to teaching you real ways to diversify your income and to build financial wealth. What I want to talk to you guys about today is Facebook Marketplace and the opportunities that you may have with it. But before we get into that, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. So Facebook Marketplace right now, you guys, it's absolutely exploding. And the opportunities that you have with Facebook, man, it's incredible right now. A lot of you all may not know that Facebook has over 1 billion users right now with 250 million active shoppers right on a daily. So that means there's a lot of opportunity there for you. And Facebook, they have no other approval process than you already having a Facebook account. So most of you all can get started as soon as today. If you don't have a Facebook account, go set it up. And then Facebook is only taking 5%, right, of what your sales are. And so what that means is, like, for a lot of you e-commerce guys that know, some platforms they take up to 30%, right? And other platforms they may charge you like per listing to list every item that you want to sell. So that opportunity is huge. You only have 5% that they're taking right from your sales. That's the only fee that they have right now. So you guys can absolutely kill it right now. There's so much opportunity to just grow, right? And then with Facebook Marketplace still being fairly new to how they're building and scaling and to where you can drop ship on there, right? The opportunity is insane. So a lot of you all may have missed that Amazon wave when it was super easy to make money early on. You know, you kind of have a similar opportunity here, right? With Facebook. And with that being said, right? You want to keep in mind that typically a lot of these platforms, they learn from their competitors and the mistakes that they learned early on. So you may not know how long that window of opportunity is going to be. So you guys want to take action right away. And that's what we do over here at the Real Ways family. You know, we take action. So when it's something that comes across your radar and you see an opportunity to make money, man, jump on it. You know, jump on it right away. Don't hesitate. And that's the biggest thing, right? Especially with e-commerce, because some people may look at it like it's intimidating, like selling on Amazon. You know, you may look at the dashboard like, man, this is kind of overwhelming. But with Facebook Marketplace, it's kind of it's a straight shot. So you guys don't want to miss this opportunity. It's one of those things that I use as a passive income, and you know, it's a good passive income. You know, so you guys want to go ahead and take advantage of that. You know, don't hesitate. A lot of people talk themselves out of starting something before they even start. So this is one of those things where you already have a Facebook account. Start making money today. You know, and the Real Ways family, you know, we're a small community, but we're an active community. So you want to take action. And for the book, you know, it's the first book that we released on the Digital Streetz platform, How to Start a Six-Figure Facebook Business. For everyone that's purchased the book, man, I want to thank you for all of the support, man. The book is doing awesome. I appreciate it, man. For you all that's not following us on the Digital Streetz platform, go over to all the social media pages and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at the Digital Streetz. And you guys want to stay in tune with us, especially with all the amazing things that we have coming up that we're going to share on this platform. You guys do not want to miss it, I promise you. But Facebook right now is one of those opportunities, right, where you can make a lot of money and fairly easy, because you don't know when they're going to begin to really start regulating the platform where they make it more difficult to sell on, right? So you want to take advantage of that. And, you know, you never know. I don't know which direction they're going to go, but right now they're scaling at a rapid rate. And you could just do you can start with just doing drop shipping. So you don't have to have the product, right? For you all that don't know what drop shipping is, basically what it is you go source a product from somewhere like eBay or Amazon or Walmart, right? And then you just mark the product up at a higher price. So if the product is selling for $50 on eBay, then you turn around and you sell it on Facebook for $70 or $80. Customer buys the product, you pay eBay, the seller, $50, right? And you keep the $20 or $30 profit. It's that simple. So you want to look for good selling products. And how you do that too is I'm gonna give you guys just a little insight and just some of the things, right, that we talk about in this book. Is how you do that is if you're looking for good selling products on eBay, typically what you would do is you would look at the amount of products that's sold on eBay, and the ones that have the higher amounts that's been sold, those are the products that you want to look at. That means that that product is selling well, right? So you look at that listing, you see, hey, this product has sold, 7,000 times. It's a no-brainer. Purchase that, relist that product on Facebook Marketplace and put it at a higher profit. And the thing is, and how this method works, now trust me, it works. I've been drop shipping for years. So this method works because everybody don't do their due diligence, right, when they're purchasing a product. Some people just want to purchase the product. They don't want to continue to search. They just want to get the product, get it over with. It's that simple. So you guys want to take advantage of this. Go grab the book on the Digital Streetz platform. Stay up to date with us too. Like and subscribe. We're going to be releasing a book too, How to Build Your Personal Credit. Then another book that we're going to be releasing on the platform is How to Build Business Credit in 30 Days. And these are some of the things that I've implemented in my life to help me be successful, especially with e-commerce, right? Because you're going to need that capital. You're going to need that credit to help you scale. So in these books, I talk about how I did that, how you do it, and just how to execute. So this is one of those real ways that you guys just want to continue to take advantage of. So just to talk to you guys about the Digital Streetz, right? So what the Digital Streetz is, and the concept behind that was everybody has seen, somebody on the streets, selling a product. And that's how I started in business, where you can go get a product, right? Whether it's a case of water bottles, whether it's electronics, fruit, or whatever it may be. But you can get that product the same day and start selling that product the same day. And that's the reason why people may typically, start like this, or they hustling that way. But we want to get out of that old mindset, right, of street hustling and apply it to the digital world, because you can grow so much faster, so much stronger. Like your potential is unlimited in the digital world. So, you guys make sure that you go over to the, Instagram, follow us so you guys can keep up to everything with everything that is we're doing. Go over to the Facebook, get the Digital Streetz. I'm going to put all the links in the description so you guys can follow us. But you guys don't want to miss all of the amazing things that we have coming up and the information that we're going to be sharing on this platform. This platform is for the people, real people, real ways. And it's how I started in business. When I was a kid, my father, he built a snow cone stand for me and my brother. And we sold snow cones every summer, and candy and potato chips. And we did, as kids, we did pretty well doing that. And, but it's so many different ways where you can apply that to the digital world, right? Not snow cones per se, right? But just product in general, where you can really scale, whether it's you selling fruit or you selling water bottles or electronics or whatever it may be. You want to take that and apply it to the digital world. And I promise you it will be life-changing for you guys, because it was life-changing for me. And that's the reason why this channel was created, real ways, to give people real ways and real solutions. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to continue to bring real ways, and we're going to continue to grow and diversify. But you guys want to make sure that you go, take advantage of this Facebook opportunity right now, you guys. Don't hesitate. A lot of people hesitate on these opportunities, right? And then they come and they go, and you just like, man, you have regret, and you're like, I missed that opportunity. So right now, while the getting is good, man, get it. So make sure you guys, stay in tune with us, man. I appreciate all of the support with the Digital Streetz launch, man. You guys have been awesome, and just really just took me by surprise, all of the support and love that the Digital Streetz has been getting. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel. Till the next time.